Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And today I'm back again with a brand new video where I will be talking about one of the most common issues faced by Instagram users, where you are continuously getting this error message that couldn't refresh feed. If you are not able to refresh your feed on Instagram, I will show you a few fixes that you can try to fix this issue. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, so the first thing that you can try is to just restart your device, as rebooting your device helps fix any temporary errors and glitches that might be happening in the background. Alright, so just give a restart to your device. Even if you are using Android or iPhone, whatever device you are using, just restart your device by pressing the power button. Alright, you will see this restart button, and after you have restarted your mobile device, you can just try to reload Instagram and see if you can refresh your feed or not. Now the second thing that you need to check is if you are using the updated version of the Instagram app or not. So for that, you just have to go to Play Store if you are using Android device, or if you are using iPhone, you just have to go to App Store and you have to search for Instagram, and you will be able to see if any update is there or not that you haven't downloaded, installed. Alright, so if you see an update button right here, so you can simply install that update and just let it get installed completely. After that, just go back to Instagram, and if you are logged out, you have to log back in, and then you can see if you are able to refresh the news feed or not. Alright, so that's the second thing that you can do. The third thing that you need to ensure is, in case sometimes what happens that Instagram goes down occasionally on several occasions, right? So you need to ensure that if Instagram server is down or not, because that could be the reason you are facing this issue with Instagram. And for that, you don't have to do anything. You just have to use your mobile and a browser, and just on your browser simply type Instagram server status. And when you will search for it, you will see one website that is very popular for this, Down Detector. Alright, you have to go to this website, and this will tell you if Instagram is facing any issues, and that could be one reason you are not able to refresh your news feed. So if you are continuously facing this issue, you can just check if other users are also facing this issue. You can go to Twitter and see if anyone has tweeted about this issue or not, and you can visit this website, Down Detector, where you can see. So currently it is mentioned that user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. It means there is no issue that Instagram is facing. Alright, it is only you who is not able to refresh your news feed. Alright, so Instagram server is currently not down, but whenever you are facing such issues, you should always check the server status of Instagram. Now the next thing that you can try, if you still are not able to refresh your news feed, you just have to log out yourself from Instagram app. So for that, you just have to tap your profile button that is given at the bottom right. Simply tap the menu icon at the top right, go to settings, and at the bottom you will get the option to log out of your Instagram account. So if you are not able to refresh your news feed, you will still be able to log out of your Instagram app. Alright, so using this option, you can just log out and make sure you remember your password, or you have saved your password, and then you have to log back in. Alright, after that you will be able to see if that fixed this issue or not. And in case if you are not getting any option to log out yourself out of Instagram app, what you need to do is you just have to go to settings section on your device, search for the Instagram app, and here in the storage section you will get the option clear data, using which you can log out of the Instagram app. So this will completely log you out, and after that you can go back to the app and you can manually log back into your Instagram account. This can also help in fixing this issue, or you can even clear the cache so that all the temporary junk files that have been stored over time gets deleted. Alright, so these are the two options that you can use. You can log out and you can clear the cache files. Alright, the next thing that you can do is you can report this issue to Instagram. So if your news feed is not refreshing, you can still report this issue to Instagram. For that, what you need to do is you just have to open the app and you again have to go to settings using the menu icon. And here in the settings section, you just have to use this help option given just next to the account button. So press help and here you will get to report a problem to Instagram. So you can use this option and you can send feedback. You can tell them that you are not able to refresh your news feed or you are not getting any new post or photos, videos on your news feed. Alright, so you can just explain them the issue, send them a feedback, and they might get back to you through email. Alright, so you can keep a check on your email address that is linked to Instagram so that you can get to know about the reason why are you facing that issue. Alright, the next thing that you can do is sometimes it also happens that Instagram consider you a bot. Alright, if you are continuously logging out and logging back in to your Instagram, if you are continuously doing that, Instagram might think of you as a spam. Alright, and also if you have done any violation on Instagram, you might not be able to refresh your feed, and once you will log out of your Instagram and if you will try to log back in, you might see a message that your account has been disabled. Alright, so this could be the one reason that you are not able to see any new update on your news feed on Instagram, that your account has been disabled. You have been considered a bot or a spammer by Instagram due to some reasons. This could be a mistake as well, so nothing to be worried about it. You can just submit an appeal to Instagram. You will always get an option to submit an appeal whenever your account gets disabled, and you can just tell them the reason. But in case if you have actually done any violation, then in that case it might get difficult for you to get your account back, or even in that case Instagram might block you from their platform permanently. Alright, so this could be another reason why are you not able to refresh your news feed. You can just log out of Instagram and log back in, and if you are getting any message related to that your account has been disabled, so I have already made a video about how you can recover your disabled Instagram account, so go and check that out and it will surely help you. Alright, so these were some reasons and some solutions that you can try if you are not able to refresh your news feed on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do give it a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any issues, doubts, queries or feedback related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below, and you can also visit my website that is getassist.net that has a lot of troubleshooting articles and blogs for you. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.